are studying high. Mr. Abdul,
Afternoon.
and Idol Nirasa. The weather is not so good today, but the environment is great.
Hi, this is me, Rahul. The weather is not so good, but we are trying to make most of it.
हाम्रो चाहिँ 6 घन्टाको अथक प्रयासपछि अझै पनि पुगेका छैनौँ। अझै हाम्रो टार्गेट पुग्नलाई टाइमिङ चाहिँ लाग्छ 40 मिनट 21 hour 20 minutes.
A rainy day. Turn back. Tired.
Chai is love.
This is camping, guys. Worst camping ever. Let's eat chatpate, guys.
हामी रातको 2 बजे डोसा बनाउँदैछौँ। And dosa king is Mr. Afroz.
Hi.
And
Dosa queen is that.
dosa queen is Siddharth. Dosa ready हो
It
गया।
looks tasty, guys.
I want to see your expression, Dausa.
It looks tasty, new taste.
हम लोग देखे नहीं
वही तो बुरी बात है। नहीं ये डिफिकल्ट था, मेरे को मालूम था, लेकिन मतलब डिफिकल्ट होना चाहिए। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है।
Oh, I want to flip this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes.
Good try.
नाइस
So yesterday night we stay here. Our camp is over there. Raulsan is preparing for Mount Kitadake. It's early AM.
Here's the way. Camp of that. Finally, we are coming near to Kitadake. Ooh, Sargan. Ooh, कस्तो यो रे।
Yay, finally we did it. Mount Kitadake. San. Yay, we did it.
People are hiking like this. You may not see some, but back from top. Now going to our camping site. Once we reach there, we have to Indian friends who are sleeping. So we'll ask them to pack the stops and let's go for our base. So overall, the hike was like really adventurous. We didn't expect so much adventure, but it was. Actually, we don't want it. It was, but we survived it. That's the best of it. The best part of it is that it was torturous, but we survived.
Oh.
अति नै भारी बोक्नु परेको भएर सुस्ताएको छ आइडल।
पदयात्रा गर्छ त्यसकै लागि त हो जस्तो लाग्छ
चलेगा
माछा माछा हेर्ने
ट्रैवल नहीं है सही किया था उधर
जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है no one is in our bus except driver and the contractor and Mr. Crazy hiker and romantic hiker and idle hiker and me and Ismail. Now I'm in top of Kawasaki. Idle hiker Yuvraj. So we are in the second highest mountain of Japan. After the lots of sit and tunnel events, we finally reached our destination. Actually, this is not our destination. We plan to go Ainudake and Notiridake is the White Peaks. The lesson of our hike this time is like, do not challenge nature. It will fuck shit out of you. And sometimes you also have to listen some cunning concerns, some kind concerns of your friends, because many have suggested that not to go. So there are many lessons this time. It also gives the hope every time to live, because last time we thought we are going to die by lightning bolt. So yes, what do you have to say, Yura-san, about our rural hike?
I have no any regret because I love challenge from today. I want more this kind of challenge in future. I'll fight for this kind of challenge.
Yes, let's fight for challenge. And lastly, I want to say this is to me and for all others who would like to be smart. Don't be smart, that you will have to smart yourself. This time everybody is saying don't go, but we came. So we may have like some bad memories, bad accidents, but overall after the dozers we really conquered the Mount Kawasaki after the plan and concerns of 3 years. Finally we are going to wrap our hike. It's not a hike, it's a mountaineering, because it's the second highest mountain of Japan. We cannot call it hike anymore. So this is one of the most torturous hike. Like we have difficulties before in walking, just traveling, but this is like another level due to weather, due to our like preparation, due to our like company, like many more there are facts that didn't make our hike like so well. But at last, thankfully the weather and thankful to the bless of God that we prayed last night, keep us alive. So I think God kept us alive and listened to our prayer, and this is the view we get. So it's worth it, not as we wished, but like worth it. Secret of our hike is this, protein energy drink. So who wants to have some long-term energy effect for small amount, please drink this.
Who will listen to this video?
I don't know. One more lesson is that the idol says that nothing happens what you expect. Everything happens as it is planned by God or something powerful.